Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover a deleted YouTube channel. Alright, let's begin. If you have accidentally deleted a standard personal channel, you must navigate to the Google account recovery page within a 30-day window to try and reinstate your data. However, if the channel you removed was a secondary profile under a single email, it is classified as a brand account, which is much simpler to retrieve. To get this type of channel back, open a new tab in your web browser and search for YouTube Help Center. Next, access the official website and search for recovered deleted accounts or something like that. Next, access this article by scrolling down and there will be info about brand account deletion. Now, scroll down and then select the Recover Deleted Account option. Once you are on the brand accounts page, there will be a section labeled Deleted Accounts. Here, you will see a compiled list of any recently deleted subchannels. Locate the specific channel name you wish to bring back and click on the restore icon situated right next to it. Give the web page a brief moment to update and refresh. So that's basically how you can recover a deleted YouTube channel. That's it for this video. Thanks.